Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting the site. Make a full backup because fixes can break themes or plugins. Once backed up, install a reputable SEO plugin and walk through its setup. Activate XML sitemaps, title templates, and breadcrumbs so WordPress can expose metadata properly. Next, change permalinks to post name and ensure HTTPS is enforced. This improves link clarity and trust. Make sure canonical URLs are correct to avoid duplicate content. These first actions create a stable foundation for deeper optimization. Now you tackle the detailed optimizations. Audit high traffic and target pages. Adjust titles, H1s, and H2s to reflect one primary keyword per page, and write unique meta descriptions to boost CTR. Optimize images by adding descriptive alt text, compressing files to 100-200 KB, and serving WebP when supported to reduce load time. Implement structured data for articles or products so search engines understand content. Finally, review robots. TXT and submit your XML sitemap to Google Search Console so crawlers index updated pages. Finish by setting up monitoring and cleaning up remaining issues. Connect Google Analytics and Search Console to watch impressions, clicks, and core web vitals. This tells you what to prioritize next. Boost speed with caching, a CDN, and by deferring render blocking CSS and JavaScript because performance affects rankings. Check crawl errors and fix 4xx/5xx pages, implement 301 redirects for moved URLs, and request reindexing. If something doesn't improve, clear caches, test in an incognito window, and inspect the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.